Hello, good morning everyone. Hope so you all are safe at home and doing well. Thanks for finding time and attending today's webinar, which is very interesting, I guess, about French language. I hope many of you don't know about French. Me too don't know anything about French, but and I'm very eager to learn about it. Today's speaker is Satya sir. He's a polyglot and he speaks and trains in German language, Russian language, French language, Korean language, Italian language. Beside knowing English, Hindi, Bengali, and Uriya, sir, you are great. You know too many languages. He has 12 years experience in teaching and translation work in German, French, Russian, and Korean language. Satya sir has completed advanced diploma in German language from Vivekananda Institute of Language, Hyderabad, and study in German and Russian literature at the English and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad. He has completed diploma in Italian language from English and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad, and completed certificate of proficiency and diploma in Korean at English and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad. And he has also completed advanced diploma in French from Osmania University, Hyderabad. Sir, now I would like you to take over. You can start. And
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Okay.
good morning,
I would
sir.
like to introduce myself. Okay. My name is Satyabrat Mohanty from Odisha. Okay. Now I'm residing in Hyderabad. I have been working for more than 12 years as an interpreter, translator, and teacher. My first language was Russian language. I started learning at the EFLU English and Foreign Languages universities. I completed COP, DOP, ADOP, Advanced Diploma, Technical, and Literature Studies in Maxim Gorky and Chekhov and others, and Technical Translation in that field. I am working for DRDO as a trainer in Russian language and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited as translator and NFC for interpreter. National Fuel Complex in Hyderabad. And my second language is German language. I studied from Vivekananda Institute along 6 levels. I did it is equivalent to B2 in 2002. 2008 I completed. Then after that, 2008 I joined at the EFLU for higher study in literature in German language. And I got opportunities for Janapriya Engineer Syndicate as an interpreter in Hyderabad first. I got in 2008. Then I started work my work as an interpreter for Daimler in Chennai, Oragodam. Okay. And then in French language also, I taught everywhere in Hyderabad, many institutes. Actually, my life started, real life started in 2014. I got opportunity from Germany to teach people who they want to study nursing course and PhD in Germany, but they have to complete B2 level. In 2014 to 2016, I got the idea how to make people, how to make them pass at a time. Goethe Centrum examination, who they want to write Goethe Institute examination and Alliance Française exam. I qualify them. I train them how to qualify once. Okay. And my third language was French language. I learned from Osmanian COP, DOP, ADOP, and 2009. I wrote my master degree. 2009. Okay. After that, when I completed that French language, I joined in 2010. Part-time course started in Korean language at the EFLU in Hyderabad. Korean language interesting. It is like our Hindi or our Odia language, and our this is Eastern languages like Odia, Bengali, or other Hindi, if you know, Sanskrit like this. So like this one, by Chinese also 2 months I learned, but I don't teach Chinese. And mine, this is fifth language. Sixth language is mine, Italian language. I completed my diploma. Now I will start my advanced diploma next month. Maybe they will start because of coronavirus. You know, all the situation. I would like to tell you, language learning is not difficult thing. You need your heart by heart, and your first thing is your heart, and to second thing your teacher, your guru, and your sadhana meditation. If you know Sanskrit or Hindi or any Indian languages, any language you can learn, not difficult task. Mm. So, and first thing, people they want to study abroad, they learn these languages. Suppose someone in Germany, he wants to learn master, he wants to do master degree in Germany or other countries, German speaking countries, they learn this language. Or second thing is, you want to become teacher, you can learn this language. Interpretation work or translator for MNC companies, it would be helpful for you. German language first, then French language, same thing, but in school and colleges, international colleges in Hyderabad, South Indian, you'll get more opportunities comparing to North Indian. In French languages, colleges and international schools, they have third language, French language. Mm? And Korean language only it is means limit, but opportunity, but salary is more, payment is more. Like LG, Hyundai, they will call you for teaching or interpretation work also. You can do. South Indian get more opportunity in South Indian, I think. And then Russian language, it is also limited DRDO and NFC or Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. But teaching job, it is less. Chinese also you can learn if you want. Okay, but today we'll start from French language. How it is, how we'll start the language, what is the method, what is the way of learning. My journey, no, from 2006 to 2020. I already wrote books in German, in Odia and Bengali and Hindi and English also, Trivasi, but it will publish. I want to publish myself. I don't want to give any publishers. Okay, that is the main problem. I'm waiting for that. And French language, I teach online also, offline also. So, shall we start? How the language, we will study this language, how to learn. Okay, Chala, I'll share the screen. Just a moment. Oh. Can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes, yes, the screen is not visible right now. Yeah, now it's.
Now it is okay, everyone?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So
So it's showing Satya sir has started. Yeah, it's okay now.
now, okay, please.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, it's okay.
Yes. See, first day, first rule. This language, all the consonants are silent ending. Consonants are silent. Written is different, reading is different, but three consonants are pronounced. That what are those? C, F, L. C, F, L are pronounced. Apart from them, all the consonants ending are silent. So you will write bonjour, but you can't pronounce bonjour. You'll pronounce bonjour, bonjour. Okay, bonjour. R is silent consonant, no? C, F, L are pronounced. Apart from them, all are silent. You learn. First day is introduction. We start from alphabet. Second day. Okay. How I teach. The way of teaching. First grammar. This is then book, then audio file, then grammar and practice all these and model paper, Delphi examination. So how is the language? Bonjour. You say please pronounce with me. Bonjour. It will take time. You have to learn how to pronounce. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Okay. You got now? T is silent, R is silent, E is silent here. This is how to greet. Greetings. Good morning, good day, good bonsoir is good evening. Bonne nuit is good night. And como talevu, there is hyphen. Tale, you know sandhi? Consonant plus vowel. Always suppose first word. Como. That is in English you will write comment, but that is not comment. That is how. Como ending T is a consonant. So it is the end of the that word and starting is vowel. Alle. A-L-L-E is starting. So they will mix up. Como talevu. Consonant plus vowel. This is the rule like Sandhi. Our Sanskrit language or Hindi, any Indian language, we have Sandhi. So komo talevu, vu means up in Hindi. It is like our language, Indian languages. Up means formal you. How are you? Komo talevu, how are you? Hmm. Then komo vatiu. Tiu means tum or tu. Nuvu in Telugu. Tum or tu. Okay, tiu. They pronounce tiu. Como va tiu. But here consonant. Consonant, those are different things. But consonant plus vowel, you have to mix up. Like como talevu. Mm. So how the pronunciation I am fine? Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Okay. Como talevu in real meaning is not how are you. That is आपका कैसे चल रहा in Hindi. Alle means to go. Mm. Je vais bien means I am fine. Merci bien. We say in English, actually, it is a French word. Merci. French people, they say merci, merci, merci bien. Okay. Then they say also très. Merci bien means thank you, I am fine. Très bien. Très bien means I am fine. Left side accent. Très bien means I am very fine. बहुत अच्छा. Très bien. Okay. This is first day will face the problem. Actually, real battlefield will be your alphabet. From alphabet, we'll start how to pronounce the name of the all the letters. Then vowels, consonants. Okay. This is les alphabet. I told you consonant plus vowel always mix up. Sandhi. Les alphabet. Les alphabet. Alphabets, no. Les alphabet. Ending is silent, I told. T is silent. Les alphabet. So what are the alphabets? Same like 26 letters plus these letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 37 alphabet. Hmm. So they don't pronounce A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They pronounce A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hmm. And these accents are left side accents are called grave accent. And only one letter is means E, right side, that is acute accent. And A, E, I, O, topi wala, no cap, that is called a circumflex accent. And Sedila is C plus half S, that is also one of them. That is also, and I double, only few letters are with I double point. Okay, these are the alpha 37. So how they pronounce? Le voye, vowels. Double L, here it is not pronounced, and ES ending not pronounced. So le voye. Written is different, pronunciation is different. So accident, how they read? Accident. Accident. Okay, accident. Y-E-N is on. It is there, down. A, left side A. Left side A means this is grave accent. How it is pronounced? Like A. Like Andhra Pradesh. America. Jabit A, Hyderabad. I stay in Hyderabad. Jabit A, Hyderabad. A is one preposition. And Topi wala A. That is also A. Pronounced as A. Andhra Pradesh. And this is A. E in English, but in French it is O. So how to pronounce? That is A pronounced. Like excuse. excuse, excuse, R is silent. And moment, that is what they don't pronounce moment. That's momo, momo. En is on. It will take time, 7 to 10 days to pronounce properly. Momo. And this right side accent A, that is always A. Mere, long sound, not mere. Mere, mere. And ending E, simple wala E, it is silent, never pronounced. So mere, mere. Okay. And right side accent, it is always A, first A, Hindi. Etaj, etaj. Z is jaw sound, etaj, etaj. Okay. And etyudi, etyudi. Ending E, simple wala E is silent. Etyudi. And topi wala E means are complex E. Etr, etr, etr. Okay. A pronounced. And that left side already you learned. Tre, tre. And I is always E. E, EC, EC, EC. And this is not a meaning is image, but French people they pronounce image, image, important, orange, orange, mo, mo, nasal sound always, French language, mo. If you don't, you can't pronounce, 10 days, 15 days, you have to close your nose and pronounce mo, orange, important, image, ici, être, étudier, étage, mer, momo, excuse. And this is circumflex O, always O, no chance. To, T is silent. To, ending. So, U is sometimes O or U. Music is French word. Music. Music. Between vowels, S is Z sound. Music. Music. Like zoo park. Z. Music. And there is no vowel, only one U. Then it is A sound. A. And see here double vowels. U and E. So you have to pronounce Yun. 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 Single vowel A. Double vowel Yun. Okay. And left side this is grab accent U. It is always U. So OU is pronounced as U. Here T is pronounced. This is one word. Another is with is there 8. Ut. Ut. August. They say Ut. Topi wala is U. En is en, ensemble, ensemble. Emploi. OI is wa, emploi. And then IN insupportable. IN is a. And this is on accident, N consonant plus vowel. On accident, consonant plus vowel. And CH is always sha, sha, shante, shante, shante. Okay, EN is on, EM is on, AI is A, like first A, Hindi. Maison, maison, maison. EU, like Shanta, no? Shanta, Shanta, no? OI, wa. OI is wa, moi, moi. You and I, we. Rule, all these are rules. If this is important, we. O, like orangutan, no? Au revoir, goodbye. French people they say au revoir, au revoir. Okay. Nuff, F is pronounced here because C, F, L ending are pronounced. So nuff, nuff. O U is U. This is the formula. Vowel and consonants I taught you. This is this. Every day you have to practice. Okay. After the with this grammar we start. This is book. The book, many books we follow, but one of them I'll choose. That is alter ego. Is it difficult or easy? This is not matter of easy or difficult. You like, you love, it is easy. 1 month you'll means 10 days you'll face problem. Wa, u, e, o, wa, alter ego. This is the book we follow. Okay, can you see please? From the shared application. Yes? This is the book. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, can you see please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a moment. This is the book, textbook we follow. And Alliance Française, they follow this book for examination. So this is the page number 15, we start. This is the book, okay? Suppose this is this dialogue and audio file is track number is there, second and third. Okay, track number. This one you have to read and you have to play the track. Suppose you will start the class, then alter ego that audio you have to play.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt. Can you please speak little louder? Actually, your voice is very low.
No, now I speak very loud.
Yeah. Now it's okay, sir.
Now, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is the audio track. So numbering
Excuse
is
me, sir. Sir, your book is not available. We can't see the book here.
here. Can you see?
No. Some Word file is open.
Oh, I have to close that one. Then it will come.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Now, okay.
No, still we can't see the book.
You
You're
want to
referring
share?
some book.
You
Share
want to
the
share the
screen.
screen,
Just a
sir.
moment. I'll share the screen again. Book. Okay. Now, okay, please.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
now
Now
it's
it's okay. Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
okay.
Okay. This is the book Alter Ego. We follow this. Many books are there. First, this book will start. Alter Ego. Alliance Française, they follow this. So this is the dialogue and track numbers, two tracks, two second and third, left side. Can you see the track number 2? So you have to play. I'll play from this side, but you can't hear maybe. I'll try. With this book, I have to send this audio file, then you'll simultaneously play and you have to read like this. Comment tu t'appelles? Yuko. Et toi? Je m'appelle Clémence. Et vous? Je m'appelle James. Vous vous appelez comment? Hans. Appelez, s'il vous plaît. Spell your name. H-A-N-S. Like this. If I'll send this track here, can you play from your side or no need? Okay. And this is the, then after this, like you will continue with, okay. And after this, when you complete this book, we'll start DELF A1 examination, model paper. Just a moment, I'll share.
Hello.
Yes.
Mami.
DELF model paper will start. DELF model paper.
Mami.
Can you see, please? Can you see, please? DELF A1?
Sir,
Yes,
yeah,
we can.
Yes.
Yes. This is the model paper.
Okay.
After completion of this book, we start model paper. So first 20 minutes is listening, 25 marks. 30 minutes your comprehension, reading and questions they will give you. Option A, B, C, D option. One is true or false. 25 marks. 30 minutes your that letter writing, one mail, we have to write mail and your biodata. 10 points, 30 minutes. And this is oral, depends on them. Maybe more 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. This is the oral, means listening. They will play you. This is the listening. They'll once or twice they'll vous allez entendre deux fois en document. 2 times they will play you. I mean automatic it will come. Play 30 seconds. So you have to answer the question. This is exercise 1. Points are here also. Exercise 2. Exercise 3 is they will play the situation, which place this is. That's a cinema, or it is aeroplane that place, your airport or shop or museum. Which place this is? Okay. Suppose they will make you noise, ting ting ting, couplets there. So which place this is? Couplet means maybe restaurant, maybe hotel. No, this is like this. Funny language. And this is acri means they will give you this like card and letter somewhere, and they'll ask you questions, multiple choice, ABCD. Which one you have to put cross mark. Same. And this is the one kel number telephone booth. So you some question they will ask you. Suppose you want to buy an apartment. So which advertisement is suitable and which whom we will call, which telephone number. Like this. Easy. Language is not difficult. And this is also same thing. 100 to 100 you will get. And this is written. We have to write here some Bhujet Gilile mark and Bhujet bibliothèque. Suppose you are this person, you your biodata. No means your first name. Suppose someone, my name is Satyabrat Mohanty. Yeah? First I'll write Mohanty, then no I'll write Satyabrat. That the nations means date of birth, like this, like nationality, address, telephone number. In French, French means English only. And this is mail ID. Okay, mail ID is 15 points. Easy. And then oral, they'll ask like this. Oral 3. One is this is like this. They'll ask you, introduce yourself. Bubu Zaple Como. They'll ask you, Como sa sekri, how it is, your spell your name. Simple questions, not critical. And this is, they will give you 2-3 cards, and your partner, suppose examine in that examination hall, you have to put preno. So how will you ask your name? Como buja pele como kel preno abebu family. This is, but they read family. You'll ask 1 or 2 questions, your partner. He will ask us questions like this. Card they will give you. This is. And second, you have to make one dialogue. Suppose you are going to buy medicine or something, dialogue you have to make. Suppose your partner and you. Suppose I would like in France, I would like to buy medicine, please give me. He will ask which medicine in France. Quel medicine, medicament, now this medicament, combien de cours, how much is the price? Okay, you will say, huh? Oh, s'il vous plaît, sorry, I don't have, means no, currency. Like this, they'll give you points, hints, like this. You have to make, suppose you are going to restaurant, how you will talk? That's they'll give you. Or camping, you are going to camping. And medicine, shell medicine, so are the, means you are going, doctors, how will talk? Preparation you have to do with your teacher. Everything we have to do. See, 1-2 topics they will say, you have to choose your partners and you. Okay. And apart from these, close all tabs. Okay. I'll share the screen. Share the screen. Okay, just a moment. Can you see, please? Okay.
Oh yeah, we can see your screen.
Yes. So with this we follow many books for oral. I'll show you. Jopal. Grammar books also. Jopal one. This is for oral. We follow this book. Questions are there. Jopal français, no? This is for oral. You have to write, you have to talk to me, suppose, or your partner, or who students who are advanced in advanced level, we connect and then you have to talk. Suppose this is bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous? Vous vous appelez comme, what is your name? Quel est votre âge? Okay. Quelle est votre nationalité? See, like this questions are framed, you have to answer. Okay, discuss with your partner or your teacher. Vous vous habitez où? Where you stay? This is every day. Every day 12 questions. 12 questions. The questions are already framed. This is for oral. And many books are for listening also, like this Le Clay. Le Clay. It is for listening and for letter writing. Where it is? Can you see, please? Is it easy life to become a teacher? Can you see, please?
Yes, sir, we can
Yes,
see.
Leclerc, the word is for listening and for letter writing and comprehension practice. Okay. For book, for materials, you have to study by heart and follow your guru, your teacher. This is listening. Ekute means listening. You have to listen and then you have to answer these questions. Practice. You have to do more and more. All people, any questions, please, you can ask. Any difficulty or any question you can, all are French books. And apart from this, grammar books are here. This is B1 level. Except for ILCU. With the grammar books, you have to start also Lexepra. This is grammar. This is the grammar book. Okay, can you see A1 grammar exercise? Grammar the du card europea. Okay, this is the grammar book. You have to follow. 4 parts every day: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Then only you can win the battlefield. Anything else? Please ask me. Any question, please?
If you have any question, you can ask.
Language is learning. Language learning is easy, but by heart you have to do. Nothing is difficult. After A1, you can cite A2, A2 after A2, B1, B2. If you have B1, B2, you can, for job purpose, suppose you want. If you have B1, it is enough for job purpose. B2 for higher study, if you are going Canada or something, it is DELF exam. Then DALF also they have. They are also B2, if you will qualify, that is equivalent to TEF exam. I'll show you that paper. TEF Canada. B2 if you qualify means international your TEF exam, test evaluation, the French means French evaluation examination. That is, it is equivalent to B2, and 1% in India or in Asia, 1% people don't write this exam. Lucky they are. This is TEF exam. Can you see TEF? Test d'évaluation de français. India bought no 12 Raffaella from France. Fighters. Center the langue française. Everything I explained you. Any problem you can ask me. No. Apart from this also we follow Nuance and Frontier, one book. Nuance and Frontier.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If someone wants to learn from home,
yes,
which is the best site to go to and learn from basics from scratch?
You can cite basic. So YouTube you can get many. Okay, so I'll suppose you want to know about the that what is your les alphabet you want to know how it is pronounced. No, French people, So you can type on YouTube les alphabet. So it will come. Then you will see. Then les chiffres. Slowly it will come. But
Okay.
you need one person who can explain you. This is pronunciation. You have to watch YouTube every day. But for grammar explanation and model paper and translating, you need one teacher. Compulsory.
Okay.
Without
Thank
that
you.
one, you can't learn language. I is say to one gentleman from that what is it, Jharkhand. That boy he learned with third 3G handset or 4G handset before 4 years. He called me one day in Korean, means he's speaking very nice, but sir, I can't understand the grammar structure. I'm facing problem in my brain. What should I suggested him? Boy, there are universities there. You can join there or you apply for JNU. No, JNU they have also, and Delhi University Korean language. Second diploma, second year he joined. BA second year he joined. He wrote the entrance and joined there. Now he's doing his MA. Sir, I learned how to pronounce and everything, but grammar structure and how to qualify the topic exam. TOPIK topic is for Korean and German, French language. You now so DELF exam, DALF exam, TEF exam. For German language, I'll tell you what is the Goethe Syndrome exam. That time when I'll come at 3 o'clock, 3 p.m.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
This is the journey you have to do. What to do? I want to show you. That is another book what they follow at Osmania University for grammar. It is very good book. Banswa. That is Nuance of Frontier. Many books are there, but at a time you can't do. One by one you will start, and slowly you will be champion. It will take 8 to 10 days. You'll face problem. That is no maison, saison, accident, manami, tanami. Grammar is like Hindi, Sanskrit, or Indian languages. All the European languages are like this. So I'll show you how it is like Hindi. Okay, just a moment. Wait, grammar one table. I'll show you. Can you see the book? Yes. ये क्यों आ रहा है?
Yes, we can.
Okay, just a moment. I'll show how the grammar is. It is like masculine, feminine. Like Hindi, all you people know Hindi? No, maybe. See, Sanskrit, you know? In Sanskrit, three genders they have: masculine, feminine, neuter gender. In French language, only two genders. 20. See, this is the grammar. I'll tell you. In Hindi, I don't want to hurt you. If you don't know Hindi also, it is okay. It doesn't mean the Hindi will help you. Sanskrit will help you. Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, they will help you. Not compulsory that you don't know all these Indian language. I can't learn French. No. See, this is. Suppose mo, ma, me. In Hindi, what is? My mother, what is in Hindi? Meri ma, no?
Yes, sir.
Mom frere means mera bhai. Ma mer means meri ma. Me सब मेजामी means मेरे दोस्त. No, मेरा मेरी मेरे. Mo ma me ton ta te son sa se natra natra no vatra vatra wo la la la. Like mo ma me means मेरा मेरी मेरे. अब वो टीचर नहीं है. She is expired. She got doctorate in French language, my teacher. I always miss her when I teach this thing. She taught me, Mahanti, it is Mera Meri Mere, Tera Teri Tere, no? Mama me, Mera Meri Mere, Ton Tan Ten, Tera Teri Tere, or Tumhara, Tumhari, Tumhare, no? Like this, possessive pronoun. And gender is like Hindi. Masculine, feminine. But some people they don't know Hindi, they will face problem. They have to remember only the rule. Suppose book is masculine gender in French. In Hindi it's feminine. Masculine non-living things like Hindi or Sanskrit. Non-living things are maybe masculine, maybe feminine. Like voiture. So ending with E is feminine gender in French. But livre also it is ending with E. Livre means book. Book is masculine gender in French. But maximum E ending in English E, feminine gender in French. Like voiture means car. car is feminine gender in Hindi. Gadi no feminine, nayi gadi, meri gadi, same. This is, and grammar structure you have to learn slowly, slowly, slowly. This book is good for grammar. When you will start the class, everything I will explain you. And in Hindi, ladka gaya, ladki gayi. No, past tense. No, suppose Radhika gayi and Boramesh gaya. Same thing, past tense. Past tense is like same thing, Hindi. And this is negative. When you learn, I will teach you that time. No, pa. Interesting language, French language. This is the structure. And then this is adjective. Like acha, achi, no? Like shanta, shantas. Gayak, gayika. No? Etudiant, etudiant. Vidyarthi, vidyarthini. No? Chhatra, chhatra. No? Like our Hindi language or Sanskrit. Chhatra, chhatra. Ladka, ladki. No? Like this, same. Masculine, feminine. Like this shanta, shanta. Lata Mangeshkar, a shantas. Gayika. No? Bala Subramanyam है Shanta singer, but in English Lata Bala Subramanyam is singer, Lata Mangeshkar is singer, but like our Indian language, Gayako Gayika, no? Like Bala Subramanyam, SP Bala Subramanyam is Shanta, Lata Mangeshkar is Shantas. Suppose Rakesh Tudiyan, Rakesh Vidyarthi, Chhatra. And Rishi, suppose Radha a tetudian, you'll take etudian, etudian, Shanta, Shanta, musician, musician, no? Like this, masculine, feminine, interesting, but you have to practice with your teacher, you have to follow. Then okay. 1 month exercise, you have to do your oral. Shanta, Shantas, etudiant, étudiante. See, I'll read this. Yeah? En accident, avenue des Champs-Élysées, Nicolas Legrand rencontre un musicien. Excusez-moi, monsieur. Oh, ça va? Tiens, vous êtes musicien? Oui, moi, je suis chanteur. Je m'appelle Nicolas Legrand. Nicolas Legrand, je connais. Okay. Like this, I'll show you the masculine. See. Medicine means doctor. Some professions same, like doctor sahib, ladki ladka jo bhi ho, male female same. Journalist, journalist same. Secretary, secretary same. Architect, architect same. So Rakesh is architect, Radha is architect same. Professor, professor same. You can't say professor in. Mechanician, mechanician same. Écrivain, écrivain same. That is some are different. Étudiant, étudiante. In Hindi also professor, professor same. No, professor you can't change. Étudiant, étudiant, chhatra, chhatra. Musician, musician. You see, please. Musician, suppose which musician? R.D. Burman, no? अभी नहीं है वो. Musician, no? R.D. Burman, musician. Musician and female you can take. Shanta, shantas. You say. Like this also nationality, like nationality, no? Nationality, same also. Français, française. Espanol, Espanol. L is pronounced here, you see. Almo, almond. German, German. Means one female, female. Japonais, japonaise. Moroccan, Moroccan. American, American. Means masculine, feminine. This here is masculin, femina. This is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with. Here T is pronounced. Oath with. August and 8 T are pronounced. Both places there T is pronounced. Okay, both words. In both words T is pronounced with and ut. Enough this. Written is different, pronunciation is different. So 10 to 11 days you'll face problem, oral problem. This is the structure. Formula. Article this is a, un, de, lo, la, le means definite article, indefinite article. Les article. Slowly, slowly you will learn. This is conjugation of verb. Regard the first group, second group, third group, fourth group. Verbs are there. Ending with ER, ending with IRE, ending with IRE, ending with RE. This is the les jours et les mois, the days and the months. See, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. No, CH. And these are the months. Les mois de l'année. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, August. T is pronounced. Septembre, October, November, December. And after 10, these are the numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. देखिए 21 means 20 and 1, 21. 22, after that hyphen. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Like Swazant, up to 60, okay. But 70 different, 60 plus 10, 60 plus 11 in France. This is the practice. These are where definite article, indefinite article, have to practice, fill in the blanks. The dialogues are more in this book. And these are prepositions. Prepositions are not same. Suppose j'habite à Hyderabad. I live in Hyderabad. J'habite en France. As per gender also, feminine country, masculine country they have. See here. And masculine place, feminine place. You can see A Paris means city. O cinema is masculine place, means public place. A la piscine means it is public place, but feminine place, village, fishing, fish pond. O Zeta, O Champs-Élysées is plural, like États-Unis means United States, plural country. And preposition also different. A, she, O, Allah, O, en, O. You learn. Only it is grammar that time. Conjugation is different. You say venir means to come. How they pronounce? Je viens, tu viens, vous venez, ils vont. This is the formula. And you'll see the 70 how they write. This is a time. Never 9 o'clock. Never a car. 9:15. Never a car means you translate 9 o'clock and quarter. You can say also never change. All the verb conjugations. Then after this, how you find this language? Please, all of you. This is adjective. Like ground, like bada, chota, bada, badi. No, bada ghar, badi, suppose, कोई एक feminine is badi car, no? And chota ladka, choti ladki, no? Feminine also adjective also changes like Hindi. Grand, grand, patti, patti, grow, gross, months, months. E, where there is E, you learn the rule is same, no change. Blonde, blonde, brun, brune, like this, masculine, feminine. So the adjective this is. This is 70, how they write, please. Soixante D means 60 plus 10. Soixante et 60 and 10, like this. Mathematical. This is the formula. Please ask me any question. Now it is clear. No problem. Is it okay? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so thank you, sir, for this time. Actually, we don't know about anything about French, but now we have a little bit idea about French, what
Yes,
French is, and
means see here, intelligent. Intelligent, they pronounce intelligent. Why? T is silent. IN is I taught you, no? It will take time. IN is EN is on. IM is EM is on. Already I wrote, I showed you. So written is different. Intelligent, beau, vieux, musicien, petit, grand, grand, content, timide is silent. Antipathique, souriant, gentil, L is pronounced. Intelligent, intelligent. Courageux, courageuse, no? As per gender. This is. Comparing, if you know French language, Spanish language is easy. In Spanish
Excuse
language,
me,
all
sir.
the letters are pronounced. ये silent है ना? All the letters are pronounced in Spanish. And German letters जैसे लिखा होगा वैसे पढ़ो same. But this language only problem. Why
Excuse me,
problem?
sir.
I don't. I mean, German language also, as it is written, as it is pronounced. And Spanish language, also, if you learn this language, Spanish is easier for you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If French is being taught in a school
Yes.
as third language, which is the best book to follow?
In the
Easiest.
school, suppose in Hyderabad, they follow their school book, something they publish, their local publish. But for children, I follow many books for children. Like, can I show? Suppose
Yes, sir.
junior, because this book, big book, they can't digest. So I follow that is junior books. Junior campus, that is very book, big book. But for children, you have to follow small kids. No, they have to understand. I'll show you.
Okay, sir.
Grammar junior, where it is. You can see grammar junior, junior grammar, or junior French. Junior, this is junior plus Kaye Manuel. This is for junior people. Many books are there. This is junior, 78 pages. First they have to listen and like this. For children,
Okay.
this is. They have to listen only, listening more in that book. But for like you people, more like this, we have to follow these books. And for junior people, we don't follow this book. Alter ego, you don't follow, or this is Nuance and Frontier, you don't follow. Like this latitude or something, another book you follow this. Latitude, they say read latitude. This is A1, A2. This is book.
Okay.
This is first alphabet. Wait, this is also very good book. And you have to listen and you have to repeat. First alphabet. Écoutez et répétez l'alphabet. Listen and repeat the alphabet. This is the book we follow for junior people.
Okay.
Many books are there. When you start, I'll tell you. Any question you can ask. Not a problem. Zenith also. Libre Zenith. It's for A2. A1 is there also. Zenith. Manuel, Zenith. And this is for Mobile. A1 guide. Mobile also good book. This is also Mobile also good book for children. It is professor's book. It is Mobile. This is. Can you see A1 for children? Because if directly if I'll teach like this, alphabet okay. Then after that, listening they have to do and then read. They have to pronounce. But they can't do all these adjective, masculine, feminine from beginner. No, they after 2 years adjective.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Ask me. Okay. And we'll meet at 3 o'clock for German session. Yes.
Yes, sir. We are eagerly waiting for to learn German also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My 90% classes are in German.
Okay. Actually, we also want to have idea about German language
Yes.
too.
Okay, at 3 o'clock we have class, no? Can you
Yes,
join
sir.
at that time?
Yes, sir. I will be there.
Okay. Any question you can ask. How the language you have practice. There is no easy. See, I so many people ask which language is easy. What
Yes, sir.
should I answer? All the languages are easy.
So, but the pronunciation is different, right?
Pronunciation compared to German language, other languages, French language is more difficult.
Okay.
Pronunciation, yes, grammar. But German language, the German language is my life. Actually, in 1 year, whole library I studied. If you library 30,000 books I studied. I'm translating now. One book is you can read that in Odia language. I'm translating. This is Bruder Grimm's. You know maybe that's very. And I am fond of Einstein. And when you start, I'll tell you everything. Don't worry for that. Literature study and translation. Don't worry. All the novels, all the books are there. Though at 3 o'clock you will come, I will start. Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more thing. You are great that you know too many languages.
My
Literally.
hobby. Whole day I am reading, writing, and some people also KIT University in Odisha, KIT, KIT Utkal University, and my
Okay.
villages I traveled, Comre, people you Comre, Laundre, but they don't listen to me
Okay, sir. Okay.
because it interest, no?
Yeah, it
Yeah, come.
depends.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay.
at 3 o'clock we'll meet again. Okay. Please, everyone. Can
Sure, sir. Sure.
hello,
Thanks so
sir. Are you
much, sir.
teaching online during the lockdown? Yes. But Mr.
Yes.
Hegde, he asked me, hello sir, are you teaching online during the lockdown? Yes, lockdown or no lockdown, also same. Online, offline. Yes, Bruder Grimm's Google Chrome. Okay. We'll meet at 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 p.m.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
Okay. Merci beaucoup.
you. Sir, bye-bye.
Merci beaucoup. A bientôt. Goodbye. Hmm? See you soon. Hmm.
Okay, sir. Thank you.